Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing sort of a high-level view of COVID and its impact on the insurance business, particularly your coverage. First thing we're going to talk about is business interruption. That's been a hot topic, subject to a lot of lawsuits already. Is your shutdown of your business because of the government orders covered by your insurance? Unfortunately, in the vast majority of the cases, the answer is pretty clearly no. There are some large clients with worldwide manuscript policies where there may be coverage, but for the ordinary company, unfortunately, there does not appear to be. A lot of reasons, we're not going to go into all the technicalities right now, but suffice to say, the chance of getting that covered is slim to none. Liability, that is going to be an interesting one. If someone claims that they caught COVID at your premises or as a result of your business operations, you could very well be sued. And under the current policies, that will be covered. However, we're sensing that come the first of the year, that may change. We've already been notified by one insurance company that starting January 1, they will have an exclusion in their liability forms for that. They say it was reinsurance driven. If that's true, it will likely spread to other insurance companies as well. So that could very well be a problem. Starting next year, if you are sued for that kind of a situation, you may not have coverage, whereas now you do. Workers' comp, a lot of issues there regarding claims, work from home. We will do a separate one on that. We'll go into that in a little bit more detail. But there's a lot going on in workers' comp and claims and audit and experience mod and all those things. Cyber liability, that's here because working from home and this whole shutdown situation has created a huge increase in the number of hacks and cyber attacks, and the fact that people are working from home, they are far less secure than they would be while working in the office. So the bad guys are taking advantage of that and getting into the systems through the employees' computers at home. Very bad situation. If you don't have cyber liability already, you should absolutely look into that now. There are some very good policies out there that cover work from home and all the issues, ransomware, etc., etc. There are some that are very good on the risk management side too that can help you stay out of trouble. Similarly on EPLI, employment practices liability, the work from home, leaves, shutdowns, creates all sorts of issues with employment practices. People can claim that they were discriminated against, proving when they were working, when they were not, were they getting overtime, just monumental potential problems with employment practices, leaves, family leave, care for a loved one, all kinds of issues. Again, if you don't have employment practices, you ought to get it soon. And like I was talking about on the liability coverage, a lot of the EPLI carriers are starting to put in exclusions for COVID claims. So buy a policy that does not have that, and buy it before everyone has that. We will be doing follow-ups on most of these, going into them in more detail. But for now, this is just sort of a highlight. So thank you very much.